Are you ready to work in one of the richest, safest, and highest paying countries in the world? Because Switzerland has officially announced new hiring opportunities for foreign workers starting in 2026, and the benefits are incredible. We are talking about visa sponsorship, relocation support, family benefits, and salary starting from 4,000 euro to 7,000 euro per month, depending on the role. And the best part, many of these jobs do not require a degree or previous experience. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through all the types of jobs available, who is eligible, how to apply, the most trusted websites, companies currently sponsoring work visas, salaries, and everything you need to know to move to Switzerland in 2026. So make sure you watch this video to the end because I will also share the direct application links. You might be wondering, why is Switzerland hiring foreign workers? So basically, Switzerland is experiencing a massive labor shortage and it's expected to grow in 2026. And here is why: because of an aging population, high retirement rates, not enough young workers locally, expansion in hospitality, caregiving, tech, and construction. Seasonal industries like tourism need workers year round. This shortage means Switzerland now relies heavily on foreign talent, especially for caregiving, hotels and restaurants, cleaning, construction, logistics, manufacturing, retail, healthcare assistant roles. So if you've been thinking about moving abroad, this is the moment. Don't tell anyone I told you, but yes, this is the moment. So one of the biggest reasons people choose Switzerland is the salary. Here is what you can expect in 2026. So for entry level jobs, no experience is needed. Cleaners can be earning 3,500 to 4,200 euro per month. Hotel staff, you can earn 3,800 euro to 4,500 euro per month. Care assistants, 4,000 to 5,000 euro per month. Factory and packaging workers, 4,000 to 4,800 euro per month. Delivery logistic workers, 4,200 plus euro per month. So just to give you an idea of the entry jobs you can look forward to and their pay range. For skilled roles like nurses, 5,500 to 7,000 euro per month. IT professionals, 7,000 to 12,000 euro per month. Engineers, 7,000 euro to 10,000 euro per month. Construction specialists, 5,000 plus per month. Chefs, 5,000 to 8,000 euro per month. And yes, these are monthly, not yearly, monthly salaries. So Switzerland is literally one of the top 3 highest paying countries in the world. So what are you waiting for? Do not tell anyone I told you, but please start putting things together to apply. And you might be wondering, who can apply? Oh, I'm not qualified. Oh, am I too old? Oh, I don't have a degree. Okay, hold on. So you can apply if you are between 18 to 15 years old, you're from Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, Europe, or Latin America, a student, a graduate, or skilled worker, a mature worker, or someone switching careers, without a university degree, so if you do not have a university degree, without work experience for certain jobs. But you must have a valid passport, clean background check, basic English or communication levels, willingness to learn on the job. I think this should have been the first. You need to be willing to learn on the job. If you know German, French, or Italian, it's a bonus, but not needed for most entry-level roles. So these are the jobs that do not require a degree or experience. So here you can get these jobs in Switzerland without a degree. We have in the hospitality field and tourism, we have housekeepers, waiters or waitresses, kitchen assistants, receptionists, bar staff, hotel cleaners. For caregiving and social support, we have elderly home assistants, personal care aides, domestic caregivers. Many of these training programs are provided after you arrive. Logistics and warehousing, we have pickers and packers, parcel sorters, delivery assistants, forklift trainers. For factory and packaging, we have production line workers, quality control assistants, assembly operators. For construction entry level, we have general laborers, site helpers, painters, helpers. Cleaning jobs, we have office cleaners, school cleaners, hotel cleaning staff. These are the fastest routes to get into Switzerland. So I'm giving you an idea of the jobs you can apply for without a degree. Choose your own from the long list, okay? Um, here are Swiss companies known to hire foreigners and sometimes provide sponsorship. We have Marriott Switzerland, Hyatt Regency Geneva, Hilton Zurich, Swiss Alpine Hotels, Kempinski. For logistics, we have DHL Switzerland, Swiss Post, FedEx Switzerland. For caregiving, we have Spitex, Home Instead Switzerland, Viva Care, and Pro Senectute. Manufacturing, we have Nestle, Springley, Rauch, Novartis. Construction, Implenia, Marti Group, HRS. Some companies sponsor directly, others hire for first, then help. Others hire you first, then they help you with the visa process. Guys, this name is might be sounding, oh, what is this girl saying? I'm going to put everything in the description box, and on the screen, you can probably see the names, okay? So do not worry. Do not worry. Now let's go to the application website. There are the top Swiss job websites you can search for. We have jobs.ch, Indeed Switzerland, jobup.ch, LinkedIn Job Switzerland, Couple, great for beginners. We have carehome.ch for caregiving jobs, Swiss Express Jobs, hotelcareer.ch for hospitality, Adeco Switzerland recruiting agency, Manpower Switzerland. These websites allow you to filter by English speaking jobs, visa sponsorship, entry level, and no experience. So, wondering how to apply? Yeah, I got you too. So, once you go to the websites listed above and search for visa sponsorship, English speaking, no experience, entry level, those are the terms you should be searching for. Make sure you prepare a Swiss format CV. Say if you want me to create a Swiss format CV template for you, please let me know, and I can definitely help you with that. But you have to let me know in the comment section, like and share this video for me to be able to assist you. You can also apply to many companies. In fact, I recommend you apply to 15 to 20 applications per week. You don't just apply to one company and say, oh, they did not accept me. No, you apply to 15 to 20 companies per week or applications per week, because you can also apply to different roles in the same company. Please attend the online interview. Most interviews are on Zoom or Microsoft Teams. So once you get like an offer letter or something, or before when they call you for an interview, please attend, show up and show off. I also help people with preparing for interviews. If you want me to prepare for an interview, it's not free, but very little something, right? And then we can work that out. Getting to Switzerland is the goal. And make sure to like, share, subscribe, because I'm going to check on that. And then once you receive your contract, the employer is going to send you a job offer. Apply for your Swiss work visa, guys. You will have to submit a contract, a passport, proof of accommodation, work permit request, and your application fee. And guess the last step, traveling to Switzerland. Your employer gives arrival instructions and onboarding details, and you're on your way to go. You might be wondering why Switzerland, or how living in Switzerland looks like. So Switzerland is very clean and safe. It has reliable transportation, very low crime rate, excellent healthcare, affordable housing for sponsored workers, friendly multicultural communities. Yes, Switzerland is a bit expensive, but salaries are high enough to cover costs and still save money. So don't be worried about, oh, it's expensive. No, they're going to pay you well. Okay. So if you are serious about working abroad in 2026, Switzerland should be at the top of your list. High salaries, visa sponsorship, simple entry level requirements. This is a golden opportunity. I cannot say it more than this. If you want the direct links to companies hiring in 2026, comment Switzerland 2026. If you want the direct link to companies hiring, comment Switzerland 2026 and I will drop them for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Adenisa for more relocation jobs, visa sponsorship updates, and global opportunities every week. I drop so many videos a week, so make sure you turn on the notification bell to be the first one to know. Guys, thank you for watching up to this point. You all are amazing and see you in my next video. Bye for now.